Hi, I'm Pavka. Welcome to my dungeon. In the company where I work, we have a tradition of Secret Santa, and this year I received a mug from the official Dungeons and Dragons merchandise. The problem was that the mug got broken during transport, and because I felt sorry for it, I decided to try and fix it. Repairing porcelain so that the repair is invisible is challenging, because porcelain is a fragile material that often breaks along irregular lines, making it difficult to align and conceal the joints perfectly. However, every scar we carry is an experience we can use, so I decided to repair the mug in a way that made the scars visible and turned it into a flower pot. For the repair, I used a hot glue gun. To get the melted glue into the cracks that weren't completely broken off, I set the glue gun to the highest temperature. You can see in the video that the glue was boiling, which is usually not ideal, but in this case it was intentional. The hot glue gun in my hands isn't the most precise tool, so I ended up smearing glue on areas where I didn't want it. First, I reheated these spots with a heat gun and wiped off the excess glue. Then I cleaned the thin remaining layer of glue with isopropyl alcohol. Be cautious. Isopropyl alcohol is a highly volatile and flammable substance. Use it only in well-ventilated spaces. However, I later realized that the glue layer became matte after cleaning. It didn't look good. So I reheated all the joints with a heat gun, which made the glue glossy and partially transparent again. I then printed an insert for the mug, turning it into a flower pot. Finally, I planted a flower. Since it's a dragon-themed mug, I chose a Dracena.